What is artificial intelligence? How does it work? The four types of AI can be divided into four categories, based on the type and complexity of the tasks a system is able to perform. Reactive machines. Reactive machines. A reactive machine follows the most basic of their principles and, as its name implies, is capable of only using its intelligence to perceive and react to the world in front of it. A reactive machine cannot store a memory and, as a result, cannot rely on past experiences to inform decision-making in real time. Reactive machine examples. Deep Blue was designed by IBM in the 1990s as a chess-playing supercomputer and defeated international grandmaster Garry Kasparov in a game. Deep Blue was only capable of identifying the pieces on a chessboard and knowing how each moves based on the rules of chess. Acknowledging each piece's present position and determining what the most logical move would be at that moment. The computer was not pursuing future potential moves by its opponent or trying to put its own pieces in better position. Every turn was viewed as its own reality, separate from any other movement that was made beforehand. Google's AlphaGo is also incapable of evaluating future moves but relies on its own neural network to evaluate developments of the present game, giving it an edge over Deep Blue in a more complex game. AlphaGo also bested world-class competitors of the game, defeating champion Go player Lee Sedol in 2016. Limited memory. Limited memory has the ability to store previous data and predictions when gathering information and weighing potential decisions, essentially looking into the past for clues on what may come next. Limited memory is more complex and presents greater possibilities than reactive machines. Theory of mind. In terms of machines, this would mean that it could comprehend how humans, animals and other machines feel and make decisions through self-reflection and determination, and then utilize that information to make decisions of their own. Essentially, machines would have to be able to grasp and process the concept of mind. The fluctuations of emotions in decision-making and a litany of other psychological concepts in real time, creating a two-way relationship between people and them. Self-awareness. Once theory of mind can be established, sometime well into the future of it, the final step will be for it to become self-aware. Self-awareness relies both on human researchers understanding the premise of consciousness and then learning how to replicate that so it can be built into machines. Artificial intelligence examples. Artificial intelligence technology takes many forms, from chatbots to navigation apps and wearable fitness trackers. The below examples illustrate the breadth of potential applications. Chatbot. Chatbot is an artificial intelligence chatbot capable of producing written content in a range of formats, from essays to code and answers to simple questions. Launched in November 2022 by OpenAI, Chatbot is powered by a large language model that allows it to closely emulate human writing. Google Maps. Google Maps uses location data from smartphones, as well as user-reported data on things like construction and car accidents, to monitor the ebb and flow of traffic and assess what the fastest route will be. smart assistants. Personal assistants like Siri, Alexa and Cortana use natural language processing, or NLP, to receive instructions from users to set reminders, search for online information and control the lights in people's homes. In many cases, these assistants are designed to learn a user's preferences and improve their experience over time with better suggestions and more tailored responses. Snapchat filters. Snapchat filters use ML algorithms to distinguish between an image's subject and the background, track facial movements and adjust the image on the screen based on what the user is doing. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are a recognizable example of deep learning, since they use deep neural networks to detect objects around them, determine their distance from other cars, identify traffic signals and much more. Wearables. The wearable sensors and devices used in the healthcare industry also apply deep learning to assess the health condition of the patient, including their blood sugar levels, blood pressure and heart rate. They can also derive patterns from a patient's prior medical data and use that to anticipate any future health conditions. Mozero. Mozero, a computer program created by DeepMind, is a promising front-runner in the quest to achieve true artificial general intelligence. It has managed to master games it has not even been taught to play, including chess and an entire suite of Atari games, through brute force, playing games millions of times.